How to fix Facebook Messenger call ended. First thing guys you want to do is go to the settings on your phone and then go to the apps manager. When you open the apps manager, now go to the Messenger right here, click on it, click on force stop, and then go to the storage right here. And now all what you want to do, this is the storage page, click on clear data, and after that click on the data usage here. This option right here will find the network access settings, disable the background data and the roaming data, and enable the Wi-Fi and the mobile data. Go back, click on first stop, and then click on notifications management, and make sure that all these options here are enabled, especially this priority display option. After that, go back, open the Play Store or the App Store if you have iPhone. Search for Messenger and then make sure to update it from here into the latest version. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you very much for watching this tutorial until the very end.